kicked in. In today's video, we will have a 2-for-1 special. Today, after waiting for 2 weeks, I have my tire. It's the front tire on the bike, Shinko SR777. Again, white wall tires right now. None Dunlap, very hard to find, or Dunlop. And then I also will be using, for the first time, this is from Harbor Freight. It's a Pittsburgh motorcycle wheel balancing stand. On my rear tire, I use my vise over there to hold the axle bolt. But figure for $40, it's on sale right now. It's worth a try. Harbor Freight to the rescue. For what it is packaged quite nicely. Everybody loves bubble wrap. Nice ball bearings right there. They're pre-greased. Not that I would volunteer to necessarily do it for bolts, and they are Allen. See the other side on. And this is the base. Base plate. And I almost bought the entire wheel changer from Harbor Freight, but it needed to be bolted down. And I don't know where in the garage I would bolt down a tire changer. Not something I do all the time. But pretty straightforward. These slide on. These are collars. Lock that on your rim. They have Allens right here too. The Allen keys to hold these in place. This bar will sit here and rotate in between those. A 22mm socket. That is for my axle bolt here. Plug wrench, pretty standard. And the front side of my axle, this is I believe size 6. This bolt right here pinches together the tube here, fork tube, and all of that goes in that axle. First, let me assemble my Pittsburgh motorcycle wheel balancing stand. And I'll probably speed all this up in editing, but this is real time. You put it together. Like I said, first time using it. Just bought it actually. Is there a left and a right? loosened it. Now I'm proceed to take it off. Okay. Got that side loosened. Same here. I already did the muscle work of busting it loose. Now spin it all the way out. That to the side. Alright. Again, supporting the tire. Let's pull that axle out. The tire should come down. Okay. That is off. So the tire will now roll out. The new tire back there. I would just continue to let this air leak out. Now that the tire is mounted, it's time to balance. Borrow some of my daughter's chalk here and just allowing the tire to settle on the balancer. I'm going to mark the 12 o'clock position. And this chalk and new tire isn't really working out like that. But okay, I see it. That, of course, is the light side of the tire. So now I will apply, let's see, I'll start with 3 weights. Of course, these are adhesive back weights. Cut them like that. Again, I'll apply 3. These are 7 grams a piece. Putting them as close to the inside of the rim as I can. Apply those 3 weights. Okay. Now I'll put that weight in the 9 o'clock position and let the tire go. It's still heading up. So now I'll grab, say, another 2. All right. Up to the 3. So I can live with that. Now it'll be the same process, just in reverse, as far as getting this tire back on. The job is almost done. Right now I'm reinstalling my brake caliper. And I know this is motorcycle specific, but just in case you were wondering how I got it off, or the reverse process, I do have another video on my channel where I go into detail on how to take this off. Again, my bike is an '06 Yamaha Roadstar, but the principles are pretty much the same. And now I'll take my torque wrench, go behind my work here, make sure everything is torqued down to spec. That's in your owner's manual. If you're in my case, you don't have an owner's manual, you bought the bike used, and all of that's online. You can even look on here on YouTube. But again, thanks for watching. That is how I mounted and balanced my tire. Again, You can look on YouTube or, you know, the internet, and there's various videos on the actual process of mounting your new tire, taking your old tire off. I used a bunch of manual labor and these right here. Pittsburgh name brand Harbor Freight special. Nothing fancy. A bunch of Windex and just the effort. Busting the beads off of the old tire. Okay, I'll just hit around the block. It's been raining out, so not gonna ride far or nothing, but I'll just cul-de-sac and back.